Đây, rất là hay đây. Nó thất nghiệp. Anh bị đuổi. Và đi đuổi rồi. Sao bị đuổi? Là có tuổi chưa? Anh thất nghiệp tới rồi, chủ đuổi rồi. Làm 2 buổi sai rồi. Không về à? Ừ. Hồi nãy mới coi nó tập những cái gì. Hai cái luôn. Hai cái luôn nhỉ? Hai cái cùng chợ luôn. Đi vào.老鼠，嘿，这没有老鼠。
哎，那可能要换一台，要不要叫他去外面抓一只？
这个就是我老鼠是老鼠嘛？
冒死啊！这是滑鼠，滑鼠不是老鼠，滑鼠。你说老鼠要去外面抓？ 好，那我们看一下、这是今天11点钟，就是在台北的那个流行音乐中心，然后他们的算是第一场活动啊，就是整个这个 Computex 的 GT， 这是他们的活动。那他顺便也办了就是 NVIDIA 自己的 GTC 台北的一个研讨会的活动，好，就是跟电脑展一起。那不过他已经来台湾蛮久了，1个多礼拜。那最近还有就是它是 NVIDIA， 就是大家使用的那个电脑的显卡，好，玩游戏的显卡。那现在就是跟 AI 正好就是一样很红。那另外还有一个就是 AMD 的苏妈，还有 Intel 的，好，这个执行长都有来。那我们看一下他的这段影片，好。
For this, I can't wait to see this play out in real life. Us in the front row, laughing through the late nights.
有机会去参加这种研讨会的，看到他们开头都会用一段。
This is how intelligence is made. A new kind of factory. Generator of tokens. The building blocks of AI. Tokens have opened a new frontier, turning data into knowledge, reason, action. They reveal patterns in complexity we could never see. Mirror our cities to keep us safe. And lift us high above them. Tokens help robots learn from us. Work alongside us. They go where we cannot. Lending us helping hands. And closing the gap between hope and healing so that we breathe easier. And the smallest hearts beat stronger. Tokens are helping us break new ground on a scale never attempted. So we can reach
Star Cloud 1, separation confirmed.
to infinity and beyond. Together, we take the next great leap into a bright new future, built for all mankind. And here, in Taipei, is where it all begins.
女士们、先生们，欢迎 NVIDIA 创办人暨执行长黄仁勋先生。
Welcome to the stage, NVIDIA founder and CEO, Jensen Huang.
Welcome to GTC Taiwan. So great to see all of you. Very good to be home. I brought my parents home. Where are my parents? Everybody give a round of applause to my mom and dad. And a round of applause for our pre-game show superstars, ladies and gentlemen. Look how adorable they are. The superstars of Taiwan. There are so many of you here today. We are broadcasting this right now to 70 other watch parties across Taiwan. 70 different conferences are going at the same time. Everybody is watching this keynote. We have so much to tell you, and I have so many partners to thank. It is incredible how large our ecosystem in Taiwan has become. Most of the time, when people think about ecosystem, they think about our software stack. They think about the developer ecosystem above the computing systems that NVIDIA builds. But NVIDIA's ecosystem spans all the way upstream to all of our supply chain here in Taiwan, where it all begins, and downstream all the way to data centers and eventually to end users. Today, we're going to talk about almost all of the ecosystem. There are so many people to thank. I love my ecosystem here. I mean, there are so many companies here, and some of my favorite ecosystem partners. So many. Taiwan's rich ecosystem, the richest ecosystem, the world's best supply chain ecosystem. Unbelievable. Well, thank you all for being here. And this year, our businesses together are growing incredibly. In fact, somebody told me last night that the annual GDP of Taiwan is going to grow almost 10%. Unbelievable. Well, we have a lot to talk about. Let's get going. 2 years ago, when I was here, I started to talk to you about how AI has moved from generative AI and the other waves of AIs that are coming. The next wave of AI was agentic AI. And today, we can say that agentic AI has arrived, that useful AI has arrived. Now, what does this mean? This is GitHub. This is, of course, one of the first applications of agentic AI is software coding. One of the most valuable professions. An incredibly large ecosystem, 30 million, 40 million professional software developers, probably another couple of hundred who are students and enthusiasts and so on and so forth. But say 30, 40 million software developers in the world code for a living. And this represents most of them. This is GitHub. The pull request is when they download software, they modify it, and commit is when they push it back up. Okay? And so if you could look at this, in 2023, the number of commits was 300 million. 2024, 400 million. 2025, 500 million commits. In the first few months, of 2026, it has nearly tripled. Now, what does that mean? 30 million software developers representing about $3 trillion worth of GDP, producing that's what they're paid, $3 trillion worth of salaries per year, which is generating economic growth for the rest of the industries. Say $100 trillion of the world's industries is generated by $3 billion worth of salary. that $3 trillion, that $3 trillion worth of salary is now producing nearly 3 times as much output. It's effectively a $9 trillion productivity from $3 trillion of salaries. Does that make any sense? The difference is absolutely extraordinary. This is the potential. This is the promise of AI. The number of engineers, software engineers, is actually increasing. People talk about AI reducing jobs. Complete nonsense. It's causing more software engineers to be hired, and the reason for that is very simple. If you can hire a software engineer and you could generate $9 trillion worth of productive work, why wouldn't you want to hire more software engineers? If that line was flat, then obviously people will hire fewer software engineers. But because the output is so incredible, people want to hire more software engineers. This is going to show up in our economy somehow soon. And so the first thing is useful AI has arrived. Now, what does that mean from the industry's perspective? From the industry's perspective, that means that tokens are now in extraordinary demand. Because if you could do this, you're going to want to produce more of it. And because tokens are now profitable units, tokens are now profitable units of revenues. Because it is now profitable, the AI companies want to build a lot more tokens, generate a lot more tokens, build more AI factories, which is the reason why compute demand here in Taiwan has skyrocketed. It is precisely the reason why all of you are so busy and your businesses are doing so well. In fact, that looks like some of your stock price. The compute pattern has changed. Everything has changed. So the first idea is that useful AI has arrived. AI is now a profit generator. AI is now a GDP generator. And behind it is a whole new kind of computing pattern. Not just a large language model, but an agent. Today, almost everything we're going to talk about is going to be based on this. So let me take a quick moment and show you what I'm talking about. Inside, this is an agent. It's an agent application. In the old days, this would be application, this would be code, and this would be operating system. Application, code running inside an application, inside an operating system. Today, it is agent, which consists of a large language model, or many, sitting inside a harness, and that harness helps it, orchestrates it to do productive work. This is the input. When that input comes, it has to understand, observe, reason, act, use tools. That tool could be a spreadsheet, web browser, a data processing engine, database engine, for example. This is orchestrated, this harness orchestrate this.
好，我们先下课休息一下。